Good morning students. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss the new chapter algebra. Okay. First of all, we discuss the constants, variables, algebraic expression, terms, coefficients, like terms, unlike terms, polynomials, standard form of a polynomial, then degree of the polynomial. Next one, types of a polynomial. First one, constants. The fixed numerical value is called a constant. The fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay? Right. The fixed numerical value, not for change. Okay? Next one, variables. The letters in the expression are known as the variables. For example, 2x, 5y, then 7z, here x, y, z. All are variables. Then 2, 5, 7. All are numerical values. Here 2x, consider the 2x. Put x is equal to 1. Then 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then put x is equal to 2. Then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, variables values differ but constant fixed not for change. Okay. Next one, algebraic expression. The expression formed by the combination of variables and constants using mathematical operations. Using mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are known as a algebraic expression. For example, here 2x, that is algebraic expression because 2 into 2 into x. So multiplication will come. Next 2x plus 5. This also algebraic expression. Then 2x squared plus 7. This also algebraic expression. Okay? Right. Next one, terms, which is constant. For example, 7, variable or product of variables and constants. That is 7x or 9x. This is the terms. Okay, or 9x squared, 7x squared, then 10x squared, okay, etc. Okay, that is terms. Here also 2x squared on 10, 7, another 10. Okay, right, terms. Then coefficients. Coefficients means here coefficient of x squared is 9. Okay, coefficient of x squared is 9. The numerical value. 9 is the numerical value. Then coefficient of x is 7. The coefficient of x is 9. Okay? Right. Then next one, like terms, unlike terms. Like terms. Here 7x and 9x both are like terms. Okay, 7x and 9x both are like terms. Then 7x and 9x squared. Here both are unlike terms. That is the like terms now. Same power are okay, same power. Different power are unlike terms. Here x to the power 1, x to the power 4. So 7x and 9x both are like terms. So like terms now power same are coefficient differ no problem. Okay. Then here also 9x squared, 7x squared, 10x squared. Here all are like terms. Here same power, that is 2. Okay, wow. So here 9, 7, 10. All are numerical value. Numerical value no problem. But same power are okay. So like terms, unlike terms over. Next one, polynomial. For example, 2x plus 5. Okay, that is a polynomial. Then ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This also polynomial. So polynomial is the addition, constant variable multiplication add so 2x square This is also polynomial. Generally 2x square is a polynomial. Okay. So next one, standard form of a polynomial. So first polynomial is non-negative power இருக்கும். That is, for example, 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is a polynomial. Then 2x to the power minus 2 plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is not a polynomial because then negative integral power இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? So fraction form வராது. That is 2 into root x plus 2 into root x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is not a polynomial because 2 into x to the power 1 by 2. So this is not 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 plus 7 is equal to 0. This is not a polynomial. Okay, this is not a polynomial. And also 5x square plus 7 divided by x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is not a polynomial. How is it possible, sir? Not a polynomial. So எப்படி sir? Sir, 5x square plus 7 into x to the power minus 1. That is 1. Sorry, a to the power m is equal to 1 by a to the power minus m. That is equal to a to the power plus m. Then 1 by a to the power m into then a to the power minus m. So 7 into x to the power minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 0. This is not a polynomial. Okay, negative power இருக்க கூடாது, பவர்ல fraction form வர கூடாது, இதெல்லாம் conditions. Okay, that is a polynomial topic. Next one, standard form of a polynomial. So the standard form, sir, this is the standard form. Then 2 1 then constant term, that is x to the power 0. For example, 5x square x cube plus 7x square plus then 10x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a polynomial. Yes, 3 2 1 then 0, that is x to the power 0. Then anything to the power 0 is 1. That is anything to the power 0 is 1. Very important condition. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So 7 into x to the power 0 is equal to 0. So one descending power or ascending power, that is 7 plus 10x plus 7x square plus 5x cube is equal to 0. This is the standard. This also standard form of a polynomial. Okay, right. Next one, degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Next one, degree of the polynomial. Listen, let me listen for degree of the polynomial. That is 7xy plus 2x square plus 5x squared y. Okay, this is a polynomial. There are two variables irukku illanga, 7xy. Okay, so இதனோட degree என்ன வரும்? 1 1, that is 2. Then degree of 2x squared also 2. Then degree of 5x squared y is 3. That is 2 plus 1 3. Here also 1 plus 1 2. Okay, then degree of the polynomial is 3. So highest power is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, highest power is degree of the polynomial, that is 3. 3 is the degree of this form, sorry, polynomial. Okay, right. Next one, types of polynomial. Types of a polynomial. Then types of a polynomial. Here பாத்தீங்கன்னா two types are divide பண்ணலாம். That is based on terms. Based on terms. Next one, based on degree. Based on degree. Then based on terms. That is monomial. Monomial. Next one, binomial. Next one, trinomial. Next one, trinomial. Then based on degree, then constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Next one, linear polynomial. quadratic polynomial. Next one, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials. Right. Then based on terms, we have three types. First one, monomial, binomial, trinomial. First one, monomial. It contains only one term. It's called a monomial. That is 2x. Okay. Then 5x squared. Our monomial. Second one, binomial. It contains two terms. That is 2x plus 5. Okay. Or 3x plus 7 or 3x minus 7. Anyone. Okay. Here 2x one term, 5 one term. Here 5 is the constant value. Okay. Fixed value. Here 7 also. Minus 7 also. Okay. Then 3x for term. Then some minus 7 is second. Sorry, 7 is second term. But into difference okay. No problem. So binomial, it contains two terms. Trinomial, it contains three terms. For example, 2x squared plus 5x minus 10. This is a trinomial. Okay, yes, three terms. Okay, namely 2x squared, 5x and minus 10. Okay, right. Next one, based on degree, constant polynomial. That is ax to the power 0. That is equal to a. Okay, here x is the variable, a is constant. Okay, that r 7 is a constant polynomial. That is x to the power 0. So anything to the power 0 is 1. That is equal to 7. That is constant polynomial. Next one, linear polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is 1. That is 7x. Okay, 7x. That is a linear polynomial. It contains only one degree. Okay, highest degree is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. 7x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, highest power is 2. That is a quadratic polynomial. For example, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. Next one, cubic polynomial. Their highest power is 3. That is a cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. This is a cubic polynomial. That's all. One, linear equation in one variable. That is 2x plus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, then 2x is equal to 5 minus 5. That is equal to 0. Plus 5, shift to right hand side, minus 5. Then 5 minus 5, 0. Then 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 0. That is linear equation in one variable. Here, x is the variable. Then 5 is constant value. Okay, so ஒரே ஒரு வேரியபிள் xங்கற வேரியபிள் மட்டும் இருக்கு. ஓகே, சோ இது எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணனுமா இந்த மெத்தட்ல சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ரைட். Next, linear equation in two variables. That is 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. That is a linear equation in two variables. Here highest power is 1. Okay, so given equation is a linear equation, but linear equation in two variables. Second one, okay, 2x plus 5y is equal to 10 is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. Next one, linear equation in three variables. So linear equation in two variables. இப்போ இத டைரக்ட்டா சால்வ் பண்ண முடியாது. சோ இதுக்கு ஈக்குவலா இன்னொரு linear equations in two variable கொடுப்பாங்க. ரெண்டையும் சால்வ் பண்ணி நம்ம ஆன்சர் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல அத நான் சொல்றேன். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் linear equation in three variables. That is ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0. Here x, y, z are constant variables. Then a, b and c are constant value. Okay, then x, y and z are variables. A, b and c are fixed numerical value. That is constant. Okay, right. Next one, LCM. That means least common multiple. For example, 25 comma 35. Okay, wow. LCM of 25 comma 35 now. Then 5. 5 5s are 25. 7 5s are 35. Then 5 1 7. Then 7 1 1. Okay, wow. So last one more now. Then LCM is 5 into 7. Okay, wow. 5 into 5 into 7. 5 is 25. 25 sums are 25 7. Okay, wow. Then 175 5 is 7 is 35, remainder 3. 2 sums are 14 plus 3 17. Sorry. Okay, that is equal to 175. Okay, wow. 175. LCM of 25 comma 35. Okay, in case GCD or HCF கேட்டாங்கன்னா நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? That is 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35. Here highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Here that is 5. Then GCD or HCF is 5. Okay, wow. So இதே கான்செப்ட்ல தான் algebraic expressionல வரும். For example, 2x squared and 10x squared or 10x. Find the GCD of 2x squared and 10x. That is equal to 2x squared is equal to 2 into x into x. Okay. Then 10x is equal to 2 into 5 into x. Here GCD is 2, then x. Here GCD is 2x. So common factor மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா? common factor மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கணும். So ரெண்டு காமனா 2 இருக்கு, then x 2x. In case LCM, find the LCM of 2x squared and 10x is, then LCM that is equal to common இருக்கிற டைம் எடுத்துக்கணும் into 5 into common இருக்கிற x into x, that is equal to 2 5s are 10, 10 into x squared, that is LCM. Okay, that is LCM of 2x squared and 10x. Okay, right. Next one, rational expressions. We know the rational number, that is p by q is a rational number. Then p by q is a rational number. Okay, well, here q not is equal to 0. ஏன்னா denominator 0 வந்தா undefined. Right. Then for example, 5 by 7, that is a rational number. Rational expression na 5x divided by 7i. This is the rational expression. ஓகேங்களா? So 5x by 7i ஆகுதா? 5x plus 7 divided by 7y plus 10 ஆகலாம், or 7x plus 10 ஆகவும் இருக்கலாம். எப்படி வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். So this is the rational expression. ஓகேங்களா? rational expression. புரியுதுங்களா? rational expression னா என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுங்க. p by q ஃபார்மேட் தான், பட் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல இருக்கா 2a 5 into x 5x plus 7 இருக்கு. ஓகே, ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட். we know the square numbers 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 going on. All are square numbers. Square root means square root of 1, that is equal to plus or minus 1. So plus value varula, plus or value minus value varula. That is root 1 is equal to minus 1 comma plus 1. Idha solnom. Next root of 4. Root 4 is equal to square root of 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2, that is equal to 2. Sir, எப்படி சார் இது possible? இது எப்படி சார் எடுக்கணும்னா, that is square root of 9 is equal to root of 3 into 3. So power add பண்ணாம multiplication ல, then root of 3 squared. Okay, square root of 3 squared, that is equal to 3 squared whole to the power 1 by 2. The square root நாம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? half எழுதலாம், power லாம். 3 squared whole to the power 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 to the power 2 into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, that is equal to 3. Okay, wow. Therefore root of 9 is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, wow. Square root of 9 is equal to plus or minus 3. That's all.